Suppose you are going to sell your property or land or condominium in the Philippines. A buyer took an interest in your property and you are now engaged in talks for the purchase of your property. After coming into an agreement that you will sell your property, however, and prior to the land or condominium title transfer, you realize that there are annotations to your land or condominium title. How do you proceed from there? Today, our focus is on Section 4, Rule 74 of the Philippine Rules of Court, which provides a vital annotation on land titles. An annotation pursuant to Section 4, Rule 74 of the Rules of Court must be removed by the seller in order to deliver a clean condominium title or land title to the buyer. This annotation usually appears in the seller's inherited property, be it land or condominium or those especially acquired or the real property acquired via extrajudicial settlement of the estate, or usually known as the transfer due to the death of a relative, wherein you as a title holder is the new owner of record, as reflected on your condominium title or land title. The annotation on the condominium title or land title can be removed for as long as the 2-year period provided in the said Section 4 Rule 74 for the filing of claims against the estate of the deceased has already elapsed, without any claim having been filed. Such claims include claim for the rightful share of the other heirs and claim for the payment of the deceased debts to his or her creditors. You now need to file a petition for cancellation of encumbrance under the Section 4 Rule 74 of the Rules of Court with the Register of Deeds where the property is located. Note that it is important that the 2 years have lapsed before the petition must be filed, or else it will be denied. In order for you to be able to process the petition for cancellation of encumbrance, the following are the requirements that you may need to present. Number 1 is the owner's original copy of transfer certificate or the TCT, or in condominiums, the condominium certificate of title. Second is the verified petition for cancellation of encumbrance. Third, 2 photocopies of the presenter's valid IDs, and lastly, a registry of deeds application form. The annotation removal can be done prior to the land title or condominium title transfer in the Philippines. Consider securing assistance from a title transfer service provider in the Philippines to assist you in filing your petition for cancellation of encumbrance. This way, you are ensured that your lifting of encumbrance is done timely and correctly so that you do not lose your potential buyer. Otherwise, if the condominium title or the land title has already been transferred to the name of the buyer may still have this removed by also filing a petition for cancellation of encumbrance in the appropriate registry of deeds. Either way, the cancellation of encumbrance is recommended so that your future heirs or buyers will not have an issue with multiple encumbrances.